Welcome to Home Seller's Guide to Selling Your Home for Top Dollar in spite of recent MLS and legal challenges. I'm not sure if everyone knows, everyone in the real estate industry knows, but if you weren't thinking about selling your home for a few months, you might not have been aware that because of class action suits and pressure from the Department of Justice, the MLS has made a massive change. It no longer allows realtors to insert compensation levels for the buyer's agents. And in fact, in what I thought was a stunning development, there are no forms for realtors to use to discuss buyer agent compensation with you ahead of time. They'll have the form. If an offer comes over, a form will be attached requesting buyer agent compensation, and you can negotiate that, and we'll cover that in future videos, actually a separate course probably. But for now, just know there's a massive change. Many of your realtors, from what I've been reading, their brokerages won't even allow them to co-broke, make offers to co-broke, that's legal terms, make offers of compensation to buyer's agents. There are firms that won't do it. Others are going to have to do it in a very suspect manner unless they put lawyers on the teams. So in this course, I'm going to go over, well, here, I'll just give you the outline and we'll go right into the next video. I'm going to do all 4 or 5 videos right now. So the course is designed to be straightforward and to the point so you can quickly understand the key issues and make informed decisions. Purpose of the course, I just told you, it's to equip you with the knowledge and the tools you need to navigate the new legal landscape around home sales, particularly regarding buyer's agent compensation. In fact, at the end of this, in the final section, I'm going to go over the forms and the timing. Well, I might go over the timing in the 4th section, but the forms that you need to protect yourself as best you can once you get educated will be here in that section. And then we're going to go over the course structure. Well, here it is. It's the what, why, how, and what's next. But let me just bring you in. This is the back of the course. Let me just, that was too vague and generic for my purposes. So we've got Certified Educated Home Seller Course. That's probably what I'll change the name to. I don't really like the name I gave this in this video. Recent legal developments which impact how you sell your home. So I'm going to go over the DOJ and class action suits and what the MLS did in response. And then I'm going to why these changes matter for you. Here's a hint. For as long, I've been a realtor, I've been a lawyer since 91. And since that time, and a long time, because I remember as a kid, even in the 70s and 80s, buyer's agents got paid by listing agents. Now, it's going to be much harder for real estate agents to do that. And consequently, that may be hard for you to sell your home in certain markets. We're going to go over all that in lesson 2. I guess that's section 3. I'll straighten that out. And then we're going to go over how to sell your home for top dollar while maximizing risk. I'm going to talk about the law and what I would do, what we're going to do in my brokerage as an attorney. The DOJ rules and what we're going to do in my office as an attorney. Maybe we'll go over the MLS complications and what I'm going to do as an attorney. And then what's next, I'm going to talk to you about the process that I would use with your listing agent. And then I'll talk to you about filling out the forms and then returning them. And I believe that I've spent a lot of time thinking about this. It's a step-by-step process so that we're going to eliminate the idea for the buyer's class action suits that the compensation was negotiated ahead of time with your agent. No, you signed the listing agreement and then you move forward and you talked to me. Then you went back and agreed to a level of compensation for buyer's agents and the timing of it. You might not want to do it in the beginning, but that's why you came here. You did that. So you weren't discussing buyer agent compensation with your listing agent until after you got up to speed and you spoke with an attorney or saw my videos anyway and filled out these forms. Then you'll proceed through the process of deciding when and where to make unilateral offers of compensation and what that even means. And then finally, if you've decided you were going to take those risks, we're going to help you minimize the risks from the DOJ. We're going to understand what the DOJ said about steering. We're going to understand what the DOJ said about compromising the fiduciary duty of buyer's agents. And I'm going to come up with my solutions to it. And if you adopt them, you can use these forms. Then we're going to protect yourselves with waivers and acknowledgments. And finally, I'm going to discuss what I would demand buyers do if their agent is being paid at escrow essentially by you because you're the home seller. So that's it for the intro. That's next step. Hopefully in this course, when you're in it, there'll be a next step and it'll take you right to the next video. And if you're on YouTube right now, maybe you'll see it today. All right. Thank you.